DEUTSCH ready for you. All-in-one DEUTSCH connector terminal removal tools kit. Can used for SIZE12 and SIZE16 and SIZE20 solid contacts and stamped contacts. Dimensional specifications for DEUTSCH Connectors terminal removal toolkit. Stainless steel shaft inner wall smooth processing to prevent damage to the wire harness and terminals. All stainless steel shaft increases the slotted length. Terminals of different installation depths can be flexibly released to prevent damage to the wire harness. Shaft edge chamfered to prevent damage to the connectors and wires. Longer anodized aluminum handle increases the comfort of grip and control. Terminal removal instruction. The wedges must be removed first before releasing terminals. Insert the flat screwdriver to wedge grooves. Slight rotating screwdriver until the wedge is loose. And then put the screwdriver through the wedge slot to pry it out.